Hello, friends. Welcome to my YouTube channel. This reading is for three superstars of tennis: Roger Federer, Rafael Nadal, and Novak Djokovic. Now, Roger Federer is already on 20 Grand Slams. Nadal is expected to take over him in coming months. Novak Djokovic is on 18 Grand Slam titles. So what's going to happen? How will be the year 2021 for Roger Federer, Rafael Nadal, and Novak Djokovic? Three Grand Slam titles are there. First, Australian Open won by Novak Djokovic. Now, what is going to happen in next three? This is the reading. First, Roger Federer. Now, look, present looks good, very good. Till 31st March, he has nothing to do. He'll be carefree. And this is till 30th of June, and thereafter, here, from 1st July to 31st December, moving away. Whenever this cards appears, a person changes his direction. So probably this is indicating retirement. So then I checked what's going to happen in US Open. This card came. So certainly during US Open he might announce his retirement. But before US Open there is Wimbledon. My favorite Wimbledon. So how will be his performance in Wimbledon? So looks like he will give his best in his last Wimbledon. That's what I feel. Looking at this card, he will announce retirement in the year 2021, and before that, he will give his best in his last year at Wimbledon. King of Pentacles. And I'll not be surprised at all if he wins the Wimbledon in the year 2021. These two cards. But yes, certainly, this is his last year as a professional tennis player. Then, Rafael Nadal. Present looks good. Period till 31st March. Will be doing lots of adjustment, moving here and there. He will have to do lots of traveling, probably. Then, April to June, period of French Open. Lovers card. But thereafter, this card, July to December, again, he might get injured. He might injure himself. So he need to be careful about injuries. Now, I checked whether he will win US Open. Tough competition. Clear no. Whether he will win French Open? No. He will not win French Open. Although here it's lovers card, but certainly some kind of injury I can see that might stop him from winning French Open also. So all in all, June onwards his period is difficult. Rafael Nadal's. And he is certainly not winning French Open and US Open. Now let's check for Novak Djokovic. Friends, here are the cards for Novak Djokovic. Now here clearly present looks okay. He is trying to adjust to the situations right now. not much is happening, but yes, he is going to do well in coming months, and hopefully he will come out winning in all the ATP tournaments. He will do well. Then strength card for the period during French Open, July to December, period of Wimbledon and US Open, lovers card. Now here, Queen of Swords for French Open, and Wimbledon, King of Wands, and US Open, Nine of Pentacles. So, what's going to happen? Looks like at least out of these three, he will win 2 Grand Slams. That is for sure. Out of these three, French Open, Wimbledon, and US Open, he will win at least 2 Grand Slams. And he's on 18 Grand Slams. Probably by the end of the year, he will reach 20. And if Federer wins Wimbledon, then he will one ahead. And I don't see Nadal winning anything. So he will remain on 20. So looks like all three of them will go head to head in the year 2022. And then we will know who will be the highest Grand Slam winners out of these three. But yes, Roger Federer, he has a chance of winning Wimbledon. I'm not sure about it, but yes, the cards are suggesting that he is going to do very well at this year's Wimbledon. So I am keeping my fingers crossed because he is one of my favorite players. So that's it. Hope you like the reading. Thank you.